What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Mark's Appliance, and today we're going to be looking at induction cooking. So a lot of people come into the store, they don't know what induction is. They cook on gas, they cook on electric, but not induction. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it, but as I do that, I'm going to boil some water. Alright, I'm going to try to explain the pros and cons of induction before this gets to a really steep boil. So, induction uses a magnet below the glass cooking surface and transfers electromagnetic waves to the metal in the pan. So, with induction, you gotta have a piece of cookware that is magnetic on the bottom. If you can put a magnet on the bottom of your cookware, you're in good shape, you're in business. One thing about induction, extremely fast. Faster than gas, faster than electric. Because what's getting hot is the pan, there's no burner element, there's no burner. The glass, as around here, this is on 9 right now out of 10, and I can touch right here, no problem. Extremely safe as far as that goes. Precision. Induction is very precise. Unlike an electric cooktop that pulsates, the burner pulsates, it's really hard to get a constant temperature if you're cooking like meat or anything like that. You're trying to get that nice medium rare. It's really hard to do that with electric cooking. But with induction and gas, pretty similar. You can really control that magnet in induction, or the flame with gas allows you for really precise cooking with whatever you're trying to do. The cons of induction is that as of today, it's relatively really expensive. It's a more high-end cooking option. This KitchenAid right here, we're looking at $3,200. But Whirlpool and GE, they are working on some more affordable induction options that I think are going to be live in 2024. Another thing is, if you have a gas cooktop or a gas stove right now, you need 220. You can't use induction with just a 110 outlet. So, to get that behind your stove might be a little costly. It might be even more costly, than buying an expensive induction range. If you have an electric range, really easy. Same plug-in. That's no problem. Now, this water is already starting to boil. It's been about 2 minutes. So like I said, induction is a very fast option. It's very precise, very safe, and it's more energy efficient too. If you don't know about induction, you like quickness, you like precision, this is a great option for you.